Did you know that potato juice can reduce acne and blemishes? This natural remedy might surprise you with its effectiveness. Potato juice is emerging as a popular natural treatment for acne, and it's easy to see why. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, potato juice can help clear up blemishes and improve your skin's overall appearance. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, potato juice offers a gentle yet effective solution for those struggling with acne. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve clearer skin, stick around as we explore the benefits of potato juice and how to use it in your skincare routine. Many people have found success using potato juice to tackle their acne issues. For instance, one viewer shared their journey of battling persistent breakouts and how they felt frustrated with traditional treatments that didn't work. After hearing about potato juice from a friend, they decided to give it a try. Within weeks of applying potato juice daily, they noticed a significant reduction in their blemishes and an overall improvement in their skin texture. Another testimonial came from someone who struggled with dark spots left by previous acne. They began using potato juice as a spot treatment and were amazed at how quickly the spots began to fade. They described feeling more confident without makeup, something they hadn't experienced in years. These personal stories highlight the transformative power of potato juice. It's not just about treating acne, it's about restoring confidence and embracing healthy skin. As more individuals share their positive experiences, it's clear that this humble vegetable can make a real difference in the fight against blemishes. Now let's explore how to make potato juice and apply it effectively for your skin. Here's a simple process. Start by peeling one medium-sized potato. Cut it into small cubes. Place the potato cubes in a blender with a little water. Blend until smooth, then strain the mixture through a fine cloth or sieve to extract the juice. Using a cotton ball or pad, apply the fresh potato juice directly to your face, focusing on areas affected by acne or blemishes. Allow the juice to sit on your skin for about 15 minutes to let its nutrients absorb. After the time is up, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat dry. For best results, use potato juice daily, or at least 3 times a week. You can also mix it with other ingredients like honey or lemon for added benefits. After using potato juice consistently for several weeks, many users report impressive results. One individual shared before and after photos showing marked improvement in their skin condition. Fewer breakouts and less redness were evident after just a few applications. Another person mentioned that not only did their acne diminish, but their skin also felt softer and looked brighter overall. They expressed feeling more confident when going out without makeup, which was a huge boost for their self-esteem. These transformations are not just skin deep. They reflect the emotional impact of clearer skin on individuals' lives. The simplicity of using potato juice makes it an appealing choice for anyone looking for natural skincare solutions. In summary, potato juice is an effective natural remedy for treating acne and blemishes. Its rich nutrient profile helps fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote healing, all essential factors in achieving clear skin. By incorporating this simple ingredient into your skincare routine, you can experience noticeable improvements in your complexion without relying on harsh chemicals. Remember to prepare fresh potato juice regularly and apply it consistently for the best results. It's an accessible solution that can lead to healthier skin and greater confidence. Have you tried using potato juice for your acne? I'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more natural remedies.